Good morning, wieners. Welcome back to Camp Claw. It is unfortunately a very, very gloomy day. And with that, I have to carry Lucky all the way out to take a pee because she doesn't like peeing in the rain. We have to force her into the grass so she can drop a duke, do a little TT, whatever she needs to do. Lucky, why are you sitting down in the grass? Lucky, go potty. Hey, can you please go pee? Pretty please, go potty. I don't want to be out here too. It's our first really rainy day up here in Maine, and it's cold, it's wet, it's disgusting. I was gonna go fishing today and maybe chase some toothy fish or maybe some bass or some multi-species, but I think this is a good opportunity to kind of switch up the content and film something for all of you that maybe just want to see some Camp Claw activity go down. Because when we come up here, we're not just fishing. We've got the boats, we've got the rods and the rigs and all that. But what I really like to do on our off days is just have fun, tear things up, and get kind of creative. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. Also, my buddy Grant is in town. We absolutely crushed the smallmouth yesterday. It was insane. We had 18 pounds for our best 5. Biggest bass was 4 pounds. Such a freaking killer day. Yeah, I don't think any of that's gonna be going down today because it's soupy, it's wet. But we're gonna go into town, go to one of my favorite breakfast joints, show you guys basically what it's like to live up here in Maine at Camp Claw. Give you kind of a behind the scenes vlog style look as to what we do on a daily basis when we're not giving her a freaking dangle. But anyway, stick with it, stay tuned, and let's have a day. No! We now have a soggy wiener. Oh, there's nothing worse than a soggy wiener. All right, you wanna go inside? I don't even think you peed. Let's go, come on. We got, what, upload number 2 going up today?
Number 2.
Wow, we are absolutely cranking. Y'all gave a lot of love on the last one. It's got like almost 150,000 views. Yeah, in today's video, it was gonna go up probably around 7 p.m. our time, because we're on Eastern, and that's gonna be of that crawfishing adventure that we went on, which was honestly kind of fun. I was thinking we should film something similar to that, but at the pond out back. But instead of crawfish, we trap some minnows and take the minnows from the pond and use them as bait at some lakes around here. But that's for a different video. Probably when the weather's a little bit nicer. Anyway.
Posted.
Other side. Other side.
I always do this.
Smells like Japan in 1992. Boys, we're going to Dysart's. This is the highlight of our day.
Let's go.
Grant's been kind of holding us back. I've been wanting to eat since like 8 a.m.
Oh yeah.
And he's been working on titles and thumbnails and videos, and I don't know. I don't really get the whole YouTube thing, but he's heavy into it. I just want an omelet with cheese and hash browns. I don't think we'll be needing that. That's nuts. This I forgot. I mean, this car was owned by someone in Japan at some point in time. It's still got the original like CDs from the last owner. This is Voice Navigation System Japan, and I mean, yeah, I want to listen to it. I kind of want to see what's on it. And there's another. What's the other? Can you click the other one? What's the other CD? It just says back number, disc 1.
That's Chinese.
And that's Chinese. Are you sure? Are you sure it's not Japanese?
You know what?
I don't think. I think it's. I'm gonna take a crack at this, and I'm gonna say that it's probably Japanese. I don't know. I could be wrong. That's cool though. Wow, they had immaculate handwriting. I kind of like how they do their A's. Anyway, it's just the perks of owning a super old car. This thing is 30 years old. That's nuts. Dizzy D's, we're here. Didn't get a booth. Why didn't you get a booth? Are you comfortable sitting like 5 feet in the air?
As long as I'm eating, I'm gonna be fine.
Oh my God. This is my happy place. Let's dig in, boys. What are you gonna get?
I don't know, dude. You said the chicken wings?
The wings are good.
They are?
The bone, do you like boneless or bone in?
Bone in. You eat boneless?
Is that okay?
No.
Are you really
dude,
gonna roast me?
Why would you eat boneless wings? You have to eat bone in.
Yeah, you're a big bone guy, aren't you?
Yeah. Bone your.
What about you? French fries for the 5th time?
Yep.
Seriously?
6th time.
6th time?
Probably.
Literally, we've gone to 4 or 5 different restaurants since we've been here. Griffin has ordered French fries each time. You ordered poutine the first time we were here. Then you ordered fiesta fries, which is basically just Mexican poutine. Oh yeah, then you guys ate some frozen fries.
And a whole bag of tater tots.
This kid's gonna turn into a freaking potato. I'm gonna start calling you Spud. What happened to your straw, G?
They crimped the end of my straw.
They're just cock blocking you from getting water. They have a shot on here called the just Windex.
Windex shot. Sounds
Drop. Can you imagine just ordering a Windex shot and they just literally come over and just spritz a...
Is there anything else I can grab for you?
I'm all set.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Boys, this is a feast. When you come to Dysart, you get wings. It's the only thing I order. You got mild.
Mild.
Sweet chili. I'm watching my figure. I got broiled sweet chili and scrambled eggs. Just straight protein to the face. Well, that was great. Grant broke his phone. Is it still not turning on?
Let me know if there's anything I can do about this, because it's just been happening for like the last 20 minutes.
He asked, is there an Apple store around here?
Dude.
No, but you
Can't
can
do anything.
I can take you to go see a moose, maybe a bear, a brook trout or two.
Turn him. It's a movie.
This thing's sick. Grant can fit in this for sure. We wanted to get a full-size basketball hoop for the barn so we could hoop it up.
That one's a pro hoop. Look at that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it does say
Oh,
professional hoop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in the right hands.
Well, our favorite fly shop was closed, so we're gonna have to go probably somewhere else. But we figured we'd take a little stop over at Walmart. This is where all the people in Bangor like to hang out. It is quite literally a zoo here. If you want to go see the circus, it's here 24 hours out of the day in Bangor. Walmart's nuts. We're trying to get some stuff to kind of make the barn fun. So we're getting a hoop. We're gonna do s'mores later. What is that?
This ball. We need a needle.
A needle. All right, where is Grant?
Yeah, I went to go get a donut.
After he said that he's trying to...
Trying to eat healthy, and then 5 minutes later he goes, yo, who wants a donut? So.
And of course the Walmart in Bangor has a Dunkin' Donuts built in. I don't know how these work, honestly.
These actually hurt. I heard they do.
Yeah, they do.
But they sting. It's not bad.
So let's get this one. 11 splat balls per second.
That's just rate of fire. 210.
Whoa.
Oh man.
210 FPS opposed to these little ones.
And this is
I have no idea where Grant's at. He went for, this is the longest donut run I've ever seen anyone go on. He's been gone for like 20 minutes. We bought all this in the time that it took for him to get a singular donut.
Walking around eating donuts. 12 donuts for
Where were
$5. Just walking around. Looking for you guys. Where were y'all?
Did you not just say you weren't eating junk?
Dude.
You got a dozen
I
donuts.
was stressed out about my phone, so I
So you're
just
stressed.
ate a bunch of
You're
donuts.
stress eating.
Yeah.
Holy hell! How many did you eat?
Like 4. It's not my best day, but it's okay.
fucking turn roller.
All right. Well, we just wasted about an hour.
Eating my donut.
Chill, dog. What?
Only a psychopath eats it like that.
You gay.
Clean your donut up. Drop a like in the on the video if you want to see Grant and none of the future videos. There's frosting on the lens. Got about an hour in Walmart. Got absolutely nothing done. No, we actually got some Orbeez, dozen donuts. Not Orbeez. What are these called? Splatter balls.
Yeah.
Enough cookies to supply a family of 7. That's... Oh, dude. Did that break? No, we lost. It's all right. The rally fries are fine. Yeah, I just checked. It didn't go very far. It needs like more torque just to like catapult it over to the next car. Back at Camp Claw, we still have so much day left. There's some stuff I want to get done. One of which is I want to build a nice little hangout spot on the outside of the barn, like maybe a nice little fire pit, some place where we can roast some weenies, maybe some s'mores. You a big s'mores guy?
I love them.
What else do you like?
Get to cooking.
Donuts.
Glizzies,
Donuts.
Donuts, just whatever I can eat, honestly. At this point, I'm just hungry.
Grant hungry. Grant want donut. Getting some very important stuff done right now. We're setting up our splat gun. You ever mess around with one of these?
No.
Oh, it comes with eye
Comes with
protection
all
too?
kinds of stuff, dude.
This is pretty sweet. Oh, look at this drum. Is this even legal?
No.
Jeez, dude. We should probably... We should probably check Maine's regulation before we start using these. They went to jail for this?
For this.
Are we trying to catch a case real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's the Orbeez. How long does it take? 4 hours. Oh, really?
Hours, yeah.
Oh, damn.
That's unfortunate because I was trying to shoot you right away.
Grant and I, for whatever reason, been having a little bit of beef since he's gotten here, so I'm actually kind of nervous this is going to get serious. Oh, well, he said it is. Great. Now I'm nervous.
We say strap.
Chief Keef music video, bro.
Do you want to help me build the fireplace?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay, cool. It's going to take some manpower and probably some ingenuity.
We're bricked up. Get a pump real quick.
Oh! How much to eat one?
How much you pay me
I'll give you $150.
right now?
150. I'll give it fine. I'll give you 170.
$170.
Fine. All right. 200. You twist my arm.
All right, deal.
All right.
You'll give me $200 right now.
Yeah, if you get a slug, that's lit.
$200.
Sure.
Shake my hand.
Nah, bro, don't do that. You're out of your mind, bro. You don't even know what this is. It could kill you.
It's just a slug.
What if this is a super venomous Maine slug? What if this is the most venomous creature in Maine, and you were just about to?
That's like a nice new reel, though.
Just about to suck that down like a panini noodle or a fettuccine noodle.
Dude.
No, I'm not giving you. First of all, I'm
You
not.
shook on it. You shook on it.
Yeah, you did.
Fine. Grant's dad's watching this video right now. He's like, oh, I'm never letting him hang out with John anymore. Right now, we're building a little fire pit. Figured now that the weather's passed, we're gonna come out here, roast some wieners, some s'mores, and just kind of kick it. We've not really done a whole lot of outside activity since we've been up here, other than fishing. And I thought this would be fun. You know, just kind of nice little boys spot just for the boys. Maybe crack a nice cold Dr. Pepper and, you know, boys, right? Have you heard that?
No. I like it though. I'm gonna start using it.
What's up?
Good job, man.
Stop for nothing. Okay, good. Hey, that's for bringing in, boys. Teamwork. It only took us a couple hours, and we forgot 2 bricks. So, but yeah, our masterpiece is done. Check it out. I'll give you guys a quick tour of the boys zone. This is no girls allowed, only boys. This is my next big project. Got a fireplace here. Probably gonna do like a couple seats in this area. Maybe set up a nice igloo cooler right here. Boom box, playing the Home Depot theme song at all times. And then, I don't know, somewhere needs to be like a designated bun wiener zone. So I gotta think about that. Drop a comment, let us know where you should put the bun and the wiener stand. But anyway, we're gonna hang out here tonight and just kick it and chill. But first, let's go back inside and see how our, what are they called, Orbeez?
Splatter gun. Splatter ball.
See how our little splatter balls are doing. See how our balls are doing. See if our balls have grown. We're gonna prep Grant. Go. Does that hurt?
No.
Let it rip.
The first one kind of hurt.
Is that your ball sack?
No, that's your.
Get him on the shoulders. Get him on the shoulders.
Dude, these are dangerous. These are absolutely dangerous.
It stings.
Yeah, this is not safe. Yeah. Let me just walk a little bit farther away before you start point blank.
That's what you get, dude. It hurts. Damn, son. Well, got him back. Got him, boy.
The splats are fully hydrated right now, and they're finally being able to go through the gun properly. It hurts. It hurts. I can't believe I've never used one of these things before. It honestly is like, what, 2 notches down from a paintball? Yeah. Why do they sell these to kids? This is terrible.
Let her eat on it.
Could you imagine getting hit in the eye with one of these?
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, let's try it real quick, actually. Yeah, let's see what happens. This week on Mythbusters, can an Orbeez blow your retina out? What you gotta do is you gotta prime the grill, slap a couple brats on there. You don't want a nice gentle plop. You want to be able to just kind of toss them. A little flick of the wrist. Kobe. Brats are done, boys. I might have kind of dehydrated them a little bit, but
No, they look delicious.
do you like? Yeah, you're down. You're just so hungry. You eat anything.
Dude, I'll eat anything. I'm starving. Three out of 10.
This is how you start a fire in Maine.
Dude, I can go back another can.
Do you know that from experience?
Yes, dude. I've gotten blown up once or twice in my day.
You're still here?
Yeah.
How? You got blown up literally?
Yeah. By an axe can.
You're like a cat?
What'd you say?
You're like a cat?
I got 9 lives, buddy.
Well, it sounds like you got 8 because you got blown up once
Twice.
or twice.
Bear Grylls here, using a fire starter to make a fire for some s'mores. The mosquitoes are absolutely f***ing ballistic out here. Getting me nuts cut off.
Brother! That's a fire. With the help of some Axe body spray and lighter fluid, we got our fire going. This is Maine antics right here. Absolute Maine activity. We're sitting around the fire. I'm popping a cold one. It isn't White Claw, I know. That should be Camp Claw blasphemy right there, not drinking a White Claw on the fire. But we've had a very successful day of doing absolutely nothing. One thing that we did do though is have fun and film a video for you guys. But we're gonna cook up some s'mores, enjoy this beautiful roaring fire, and bask in the beauty of the Maine wilderness at night while Grant struggles to get his chair. You guys wanna tell some spooky ghost stories?
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. What do you got, Caleb?
A long time ago, there's a guy named.
in the comment section. Well, wieners, we're peacing out, signing out. Gonna reminisce on today's idiocy. Enjoy this campfire. Bid farewell to all of you beautiful folks out there. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. As always, folks, keep being an idiot. Never stop.